Why'd you eat the soap?
Because I was just kidding.
You were just kidding? What are you doing over there? I'm cleaning.
It's a smile.
Get out of there. What are you doing? Why are you snorting like a wild animal?
Because I'm tired.
You need to take a nap?
Yeah. Mommy,
What?
I want a blanket.
So get a blanket.
I got. But you are stuck.
What are you trying to say?
Hey. Hey. My bell.
Show everybody, I'm making a video. Show everybody your dragon pillow pet.
No,
Your
I'm
Valentine's.
not talking to this doggy.
What is it?
It's a doggy.
That is not a dog. That's a dragon. That's a love dragon. From Valentine's Day. Hi, I'm a dragon. I love being a dragon. I have glitter in my fur.
You silly.
Alec, I want you to admit on film that that's a dragon. It's a love dragon.
The love dog.
Love dragon.
Love dog.
It's a dragon.
Remember I just said
Are you telling me that that's Falcor?
Falcor?
Is that Falcor, the luck dog dragon?
Yeah. Gotta go to the